In this video, I'll show you how to have your iPhone remember the location of your parked car so you can easily find it later. Your iPhone can remember where you parked and help you get directions manually or automatically. It can even tell you how long the car has been there, which is helpful when parking in a garage that charges by the hour. You can manually adjust the parking spot, share the location, write a note, or add photos. Overall, it's a great feature, and here's how to use it. To have your iPhone automatically remember where you parked, you'll need to do this in the Settings app. So we'll open Settings, we'll locate and tap on Maps, we'll scroll to the bottom, and toggle on the switch where it says Show Parked Location. And now when you go anywhere and you connect your iPhone to your CarPlay or the car's Bluetooth system, when you disconnect from CarPlay or Bluetooth and exit the vehicle, Apple Maps will drop a pin at this location. You will receive a park notification on your iPhone. Tap it or use Apple Maps to get directions to your car when you want to return. If your car doesn't support CarPlay or Bluetooth, ask Siri to remember where you parked. You'll invoke Siri on your iPhone, say, "Remember where I parked my car," and Siri will remember that. There are 3 ways that you can locate your parked car. You can use the Apple Maps notification you received when you disconnected from Bluetooth or your CarPlay. You'll tap on the notification and that'll get you directions to your car. You can ask Siri, "Where did I park my car?" So if I say, "Hey Siri, where did I park my car?"
"Here's your car."
I'll get a notification on the screen. I can tap on that notification and Siri will help me get to my car. You can also use Apple Maps. So if I've dismissed the notification of my parked vehicle, I can open Apple Maps, which I'm already in. And if I scroll down under Recents, you will see a parked car notification there under Recents. I can tap on that and you'll see that it shows me the directions to the parked car. It'll even give me coordinates if I want, and I can also do the following. So I'm going to tap the X so that you can see how this works. I'll tap my parked car and I'm going to go ahead and close it out, and let me swipe down, and you'll see that the parked car is still on the map. If I tapped on the parked car where it's located, it pops up a screen, and here I can share my parked location by tapping on the share icon. I can add a note if I want to. So maybe I want to add a note with the phone number of the garage that I'm parking in. So in case I need to call the garage, I could take a photo if I wanted to of the location where my car is. I can also physically move the car if it's not in the right location. So if I tap on Move, I can take and move the car a little bit so that the car's in the right location, and I would tap on Done, and so it moved the car a little bit. So these are all of the features that are available in Apple Maps for where you've parked your car. One thing to note is the parked car location does not sync with iCloud, so it won't sync across your devices. If you're having trouble with the parked car location feature and you're thinking it's not working, remember that your iPhone will ignore the locations that you frequently park, such as work or home. However, if you need help getting it to work even in new locations, here are some quick tips to fix it. Make sure that you're updated to the latest version of iOS. Try and restart your iPhone. And then the last option is we're going to go into the settings area. We're going to locate privacy and security. Go ahead and tap on location services. Be sure that that's turned on, and then scroll down to where you see system services, which is all the way at the bottom. Tap on system services and be sure that significant locations is toggled on. For seniors, this feature on your iPhone can make finding your parked car much more straightforward. Apple Maps can automatically save your parking location by connecting your iPhone to CarPlay or Bluetooth. If your car isn't compatible with these, use Siri to remember where you parked. You can then locate your vehicle using notifications, Siri, or Apple Maps. This is especially useful in large parking areas and when paying by the hour. Additionally, you can add notes and photos or share the location with others to help you find your car later. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.